There's a nice steely. Whoa! There's one. There's one. Right by that film. Whoa! Late season steelhead. That's a big lunker smallmouth for you there. Big jumbo. What's up, ladies and gentlemen? Getting out for a couple hours on a local Lake Erie tributary. See if I could find some jumbo smallmouth bass. Maybe a steelhead. I don't know if there's any left. It's April 24th. It's been kind of warm except for the last couple of days when we got 5 inches of snow, but it's been a warm spring, so who knows. You're working some jigs using a light action rod, 9.5 foot Okuma Solito, and Shimano Sienna spinning reel, 6-pound test, 6-pound fluorocarbon. A little under the weather today. I really wasn't going to fish today. Came down with a cold the other day. A little bit under the weather, but you know, I got to get out and get some fish after last week. Last weekend was a bust. We were out, me and Mike were out on Lake Erie for jumbo perch. It's kind of wavy, didn't get nothing. Then we shot over Chautauqua Lake, finished. We could figure we could salvage the day with some crappie. All we got is a perch and a bluegill, no crappies. Week before I got 17 keepers and Rob got 6 or 7, but you know, I had to get back out on the water, see if I could at least get a nice fish or two. Hell man, we'll get to it. Don't know how long I'll last, man. I feel a little beat down. Run this pink trout magnet. I'll try this puller. There's been a guy working it since I got here. He just left. Run a caster to drift through there. Fish on. What we got here? Got a bass or what? Let's see. See what we got here. Is that a bass? Good fighting fish, can't be a sucker. Let's see what we got. I don't know, they look like a steelhead. It's April 24th. And it's been warm. I mean, it's been cold for a couple days, but it's been a warm spring, so I don't know how many steelhead. I was hoping to get in a couple nice bass, but if it's a steelhead, I'll take it. It's a steelhead. Oh yeah, steelhead. Come on up here, dude. Oh yeah. Late season steelhead. We'll take him back here a little. Get him out of that hole. Maybe there's more. I don't know, maybe there's more. Maybe. Oh yeah. What do you know? What do you know, Mr. Steelhead? Late season steelhead. Not bad. No skunking. All right, work my way down and see if I can find a nice bass. Got one steelhead on the board. Well, so far just a steelhead, no bass yet. I seen one dead one laying at the bottom upstream, so there's got to be a few in here. This looks like a good spot. Just enough depth of the water to conceal the fish. There's some boulders in there. It's a little slower. I think that's where the bass would be sitting. Not so much the steelhead, but it looks like a bass spot, so I'll give it a shot. I work my way to the back and cast upstream so I don't spook them. There's one, there's one, there's one. What is that? What is that? It's a bass. Oh, it was a bass. There's another bass. This lost one, put it right back in. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. All right. What I'm looking for, some smallies. Oh, it's a chunky bass. All right. All right. That's a nice chunky smallmouth there. There you go. There he goes. Yeah, let's see if I get another bite on film. Work that jig through there. There's one. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that's a good one. That's a good one. That's a good fish. I think I got that one. Dead bite on film. Whoa! Oh man. All right, last one got my bait. Put another one on. This one, it's like in pink and yellow. It's like pink and yellow. I get another one. There's one. There's one. Oh yeah. Oh, that's a big fish. Wait a minute. That's not a fish. There's one. There's one. There's one. There's one. There's one. Oh, another big fish. All right. See if we get another bite on film. Lost two in a row there. Got the bites on film, but I didn't land a fish. Nice big bass. There. Ooh, I just got popped. There's one. There's one. There's one. Oh yeah. There's a big bass. Big bass. Oh yeah. Oh, there we go. There we go. Look at the size of it. There we go. That's a big bass. That's a big bass. Now that's fun. That's fun. Oh yeah. Worked this quick, worked a good section of this creek so far, and I finally ran into my first bass. Oh, look at that. Look at the size of that. That's a big bass. That's a big lunker smallmouth for you there. Big jumbo. That fish fought good too. I don't know if I got them all on here, but jigging up some bass. Lost 3 in a row, and I finally connected to this big lunker. He's got me stuttering. Big chunky smallmouth there. Ready? Come on. There he goes. There's one, there's one. Oh, there's one. Oh yeah, that's a fish. That's a, oh yeah. There's a fish for you. Not a big one. All right. All right. Yeah, I'm kind of sick today, but it's making me feel a little better. A little better. Definitely making me feel a little better. See ya. There's one. There's a fish. No, another one. Whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Whoa. I don't know. I think I got about 4 or 5 hours. Oh, man. Ain't the COVID. I don't have the COVID. That's got a common cold. I think I got it from the grandchildren's. All right. All right. Mr. Bass, red eye. Old red eye bass. Nice one. There you go. See ya. Fish. Another fish. Whoa, whoa. Whoa. That's a fighter there. Oh, yeah. Nice big chunky smallmouth. Let me take a walk down. I ain't got very much further to go. I'll give these bass a rest. At least I know where there's some bass. And see if I get that steelhead that guy lost. Who am I to think I'm going to get a steelhead if somebody that's lost, right? There's a fish. What is that? Is that a steelhead? Is that a steelhead? I got it on film. It's got to be a steelhead, right? Whatever it is, it's a good fighter. That's a nice steelhead. Oh, yeah. Oh, that's a steely. That's a big steely. Oh, man. Oh, yeah. Oh, that's a nice steely. Whoa! I'm taking it back, get him out of this hole. Oh, yeah, look at that. Look at that. Steely, steely. Here he comes, Mr. Steely. Oh, that's a pretty fish. That's flawless. Look at that. Look at that. Got her, got her. Oh, it's a nice, beautiful. Steely. I feel better about letting him go. Nice steelhead there. All right. Ready? There we go. Nice steelhead. Yeah, beautiful. There he goes. No skunking. 2 steelhead, 7 or 8 bass. There we go. Oh, he's got popped. Kind of finicky, but I kind of expect him to be. There's a heavily pressured stream. Oh, he had a little taste. Let's see if he'll come back for it. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. There it is. Oh. Whoa, whoa, whoa. That's a fish. Whoa. Hopefully I get a few more of them bass, man. That was fun. 2 steelhead. Yeah, 6 or 7 bass. I can't complain. Beautiful day out here. 57 degrees today. Light wind, sunny. Can't beat it. Well, they're hitting their way down. I gave them a rest. See if any more left. It's the only spot I really got any bass out of. It's odd. There's one. There's one. There's one. Get over here. All right. All right. Another nice smallmouth. Another nice smallmouth. There's one. There's one. That's a rock. Oh. Oh, I had a monster on. I lost. I just had a monster on. Spit me. Not as big as a monster I just lost, but oh yeah. Come on up here. All right, small. All right, man. Not as easy as it was earlier, but I'm working it. Getting some smallies coming up. All right. All right. Wish I get that monster again I lost. Pretty sure I got this dude earlier. I don't care. I'll take him again. He's rusted up. Got him an hour and a half ago. No, that's a different one. That's a different one. That's a different one. There's one. Oh, I missed him. All right, that was cool. Had 5 or 6 more hookups. It really slowed down, so I'm gonna head up and try a few spots on the way. I don't get another fish, I'm happy. I think I got 8 or 9 bass, 2 steelhead, no suckers today. All right, the end of the line. I hooked up with a decent steelhead here at the back. I had him on. 3-4 seconds, got up to the top and spit the hook on me. Couldn't get another bite. Try one little spot up above and call it. Kind of peaceful out here today. All right, that's it, man. I'm gonna call it, man. I'm kind of beat, kind of under the weather a little bit too, so I can't complain. I hooked up 3 steelhead I didn't expect, landed 2, and I probably hooked a dozen nice big smallmouths. I don't know if I landed maybe 7 or 8. Some nice big ones too, so not bad. Kind of redeemed myself from last week. Some nice hard fighting fish. So until next time, see ya. Good to catch fish again.